How to use Instagram Voice Changer. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application Instagram is up to date. Once done, head over to your application Instagram and log in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in into your account, it will land you on this page. Now simply head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. And then move into the inbox of the person that you want to change the voice on DM. Click on this and start to record your voice. Once you have recorded, click on this pause icon. Once you are done recording, now click on this icon right here. Tons of different voice changer effects will be available to you. So from here you can choose any one of it. Let me choose this one. The voice has been changed. Now if you want to send it, click on the send icon, or you can choose any of the voice effects. Once done, click on send, and then the voice message will be sent to this person. So this is simply how you can use Voice Changer on Instagram. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.